baby. How's your day? How's your dinner? Oh, you like your dinner? Oh, we'll have it tomorrow again. Okay? Oh, we'll go to sleep now, okay? Uy. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today's video, I will gonna share to you what are the needs and priorities for my dog. So my first priority is their dog food. Holistic is made up of rice and lamb. So sometimes I mix it with chicken liver or chicken steam or vegetable, which is very healthy for my dogs. So they really like it. They also like eating bananas, and this one is healthy for our dogs. The second one is see a doctor. My dogs are already completed their vaccines, and doctors advise that we need to go back again after 3 months for their deworm. I have here my records of their vaccines. Wet food, their favorite dental stick for their teeth, healthy treats, vitamins, and their shampoo. Duke and Lily are family to us. They are so adorable, make my day or our day complete. I just wish them to be healthy always. Thank you for watching, guys, and I want to thank you and take this opportunity to thank all the subscribers and the likers. Thank you very much for the support.